Millions of people might have died today, if it weren't for her. And yet, almost no one knows her name. Henrietta Lacks. A woman, black, poor, mother of 5. She lived in Virginia between 1920 and 1951. She died young, just 31 years old, from an aggressive cervical cancer. And in the silence of that pain, the impossible happened. During her treatment at Johns Hopkins Hospital, doctors took samples of her tumor, without asking for permission, as was unfortunately normal at the time, and sent them to the lab of Dr. George Otto Gee. What happened next changed medicine forever. Until that point, no human cell had ever survived more than a few days in a laboratory. But Henrietta's cells were different. They didn't just survive, they multiplied. Infinitely. They were immortal. Those cells were given a technical name, HeLa, the first letters of her first and last name. Thanks to HeLa, the polio vaccine was developed. Advances were made in the fight against cancer, HIV, infertility. Drugs were tested. Genetic diseases studied. The behavior of human cells in space was observed. HeLa has been to the moon. HeLa has saved lives on every continent. HeLa gave science what it wanted most, a path to a cure. But Henrietta never knew any of this. Nor did her family. For decades, no one told them that a part of her still lived, in billions of cells spread across the globe. Used without consent, forgotten, ignored. Henrietta Lacks has become a symbol of systemic racism in science, of inequality, but also a powerful reminder. Sometimes a single invisible life can change the fate of humanity. She wasn't a scientist. She wasn't a doctor. She was just a woman. She was human. And without ever choosing it, she became eternal.